Where's the alligator? Now we're gonna get the alligator.
Is it a gator?
There it is.
Hold on.
It's just there.
It's on the one side of the boat. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Fish.
A battery.
Yeah, it's out of battery.
Mine's out of film.
Probably about 12 to 15 years old. It weighs about 125 pounds. Still a nice size.
Sitting there, it was moving around for a while there. Man, that thing's laying right there. No.
Swim right up to it.
Go sit back.
They won't take, it's dead.
I'll show you the picture later.
Now, a lot of people think alligators are these ferocious man eaters. They're not. We prefer women.
Ah.
Oh, thanks.
No,
See his little tiny legs.
Now that doesn't work for them. What they'll do is they'll take the animal, and they'll tuck it up under the edge of a vein, and let it tenderize
baby.
there for a week or so. Then they'll bring them ribs to shred. I know it's nothing big.
Oh my God, look at those fish.
Always pretty, but definitely always real.
Look at those fish. Oh my God. Lovely.
Where?
You can stop trying to get close like that.
Unfortunately, animals don't stay with their mom until about 1 year old. Not a year old until about 5 years old. They'll travel around the place on their own. And once they do find that,
It's about 8 foot long. He keeps opening his eyes, Joy. Watch.
Alligators can travel up to 30 miles for a day. And if they do have to find a nice spot along the way, they will settle in there. Let me tell you a little bit about the life cycle of alligators. Alligator mates and their mate, the female alligator will dig a shallow hole. She'll lay about 30 minutes in there. These are kind of like turtle eggs. They got a weathery shell to them. After time she gets done laying her eggs, they'll cover her down with all kinds of vegetation. Sawgrass, cats, scatterdock leaves, what have you.
Remember, we don't want to talk, Sonny.
Yes.
They hiss, they go.
Basically, there's a compost pile on top of her nest. And to get that compost pile, they'll incubate her eggs for her. Now, depending on how hot that nest gets, it'll determine whether those baby alligator sharks are all males or all females or a combination thereof, with the males preferring a slightly higher temperature. After about 90 days or so, the eggs will start hatching. The female gator will hear the cries for babies in the nest, and she'll very timid open that nest up and release her babies. Now, those babies are pretty much on their own as far as feeding most of the time they're born. So they're eating things like tadpoles, salamanders, mosquito larvae, really small fish and snails. Now, guys, now the diet of the alligator consists mainly of fish. They do eat a lot of fish, a lot of turtles, a lot of birds. Birds are actually a very important part of an alligator's diet. The feathers, kind of like branches, it helps keep them regular. All right, let's head on down the trail, see what we can find. A very handy thing to know if you're getting stuck out here in the Everglades, folks.
Drinking water inside of it?
That looks like bamboo.
Yeah.
It's cane.
Oh, they water
And
it.
if you use it to drink this water, it has little fibers in it that clean the water as you drink it.
That's pretty good. It filters it, huh? It feels and sounds like they're flying. They've got that airplane engine in it.
The water, so you can feel it floating.
Yeah.
See the crane right there?
Where? Oh, yeah.
The bird?
An alligator, see it? gosh! There's an alligator right there.
Look at
No,
this
there's
one
a...
right there.
Yeah.
It's the baby.
There's a baby one.
They're both there.
Oh, that one's moving. Oh, that one's submerged.
He went into the water.
There's one right here. Where's the other one?
Sit down.
Now, for left-hand side, we got about
See right there?
alligator. We put this gator probably about 4 years old. Alligators not very short, over 2,000 feet. That's about 6 to 8 years old. Alligators are a little bit about age 7 or 7.
It's a baby. It's about 3 foot long.
First thing a baby gator
Maybe 4 foot.
daddy alligators. Alligators are cannibalistic. And a big male gator will think nothing at all about eating one of its own young. Matter of fact, anytime alligators were twice the size of a smaller gator, and a smaller gator could be large. Now we got a 2-year-old gator up here on the left-hand side. And this little gator still has some camouflage colors when it was younger. He has tan stripes on his body. As they grow older, those tan stripes will turn to more of a grayish color. Alligators have been around about 250 million years. And they really have the prehistoric physiology to prove it. See those bumps on the alligator's back? Those are called scoops.
Looks like Loch Ness Monster. See it? The thing sticking out? I can see one of them.
It's three, because there's those two and
Yeah. The baby alligator, huh?
they're pretty small.
Oh, we're leaving the alligators now.
Huh?
And we're leaving the alligators now. You know, we took a cruise and we went through the Panama Canal. We just got off the boat right now. And this is better than anything we've seen.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Yes. Other than maybe the Panama Canal.
I don't know, the rainforest was pretty cool.
Yeah, we felt
Really?
Yeah. Is this our group? Yeah.
What I'm going to be demonstrating here, this is what's known as alligator wrestling. Alligator wrestling is a bare-handed technique of catching alligators. This is the way the Seminole Indians did it a long time ago. There are two things that make it possible. First of all, it is their limited eyesight. Alligators have peripheral vision, like a horse. They see the sides. They can't see what goes in front of the nose or what comes from behind them. They can't see inside their mouths. Their eyes don't even move up and down. The other thing that makes it possible, probably the most important thing, is the weakness in their jaws. The jaw of the alligator is made to bite, it's made to hold, not to open. The alligator I'll use has got about 10 and 15 pounds of opening pressure. I can hold his mouth shut with one hand. For safety reasons, I use two. They do bite pretty hard.
Oh my gosh.
Are you scared?
Oh, my God.
Dominic, did you go get them? You guys don't mind, right? Wait a couple minutes and let me start all over again. Plus, you get to see all that neat stuff over again. No Indians did it a long time ago. There's two things that make it possible. First of all, is their limited eyesight. Alligators have peripheral vision like a horse. They see to the sides. They can't see in front of them or what comes from behind them.
Oh.
They can't see what goes inside their mouths. Because their eyes don't even move up and down. The other thing that makes it possible, probably the most important thing, is the weakness they have in their jaws. Their jaws are made to bite and to hold, not to open. This alligator I'll use, it's got about maybe 10 or 15 pounds of opening pressure. I can hold his mouth shut with one hand. I am going to use two though. They do bite pretty hard. All right, after catching him, the next step would be to tie his jaws for safety reasons or whatever. Because then you can carry it home to your mother-in-law. Here's the Florida smile. Is what made alligator wrestling famous. When they'd open the alligator's mouth and expose anywhere from 80 up to about 88 teeth. The small rounded shaped teeth in the back, that's the bone crushing part of the alligator. An alligator this size has 1,000 pounds of biting pressure, and when it grabs a hold of something, it's not in his nature to let it go. He'll shake from side to side, he'll roll, he'll try to pull it back into the water with him. He is going to do whatever it takes to tear it apart. So if that does happen in here, the show will be over. Get pictures if you can. There's a half-moon shaped piece of skin in the back of the throat covering it off called the glottis. It's like a check valve. That's what allows the alligator to open his mouth under the water without drowning. I could stick my head down inside of his mouth, but for some strange reason, I don't want to.
I don't blame you.
Not enough, buddy. I got bit in the face about 4 years ago. That's as close as I ever want to come.
How's that?
He's about 10 years old.
How long do they live?
On average, about 35 to 45 years for alligators. Some wild alligators live a lot longer than that. The largest alligator ever found was 19.5 feet long. It was believed to be over 80. Here's its ears. Alligators can hear a splash in the water up to about 1/4 mile away, and then like sonar, they'll swim right to that spot. They'll get within about 10 feet of where the splash occurred. This little protective flap keeps debris out. The bumps all down their backs and tail are called scutes or osteoderm. They absorb and store blood. They lay out in the sun. They'll let the sun warm the blood, and then at night when it gets cool, they can release it throughout their bodies to help keep them warm. To his brain, and it makes him pass out. It could cause brain damage or kill him. So I don't do that. I don't want to hurt him. What I do is cover his eyes. Basically, if he can't see to escape or attack, his natural instinct is to relax. It's kind of like he feels less harm will come to him, and this allows me to get up out of his attack circle. Alligators see to the sides, so they attack to the sides. From the tip of their nose to the tip of their tail, they swing their whole body in a semicircle going in either direction. Right now, he's relaxed. Yeah, it'd be great if it worked on women. It'd be a lot easier to catch them. Once he got bit. Somebody say something?
Why is he relaxed? Because he's got his eyes closed?
Yeah, because I have his eyes covered. When I catch the alligator, I immediately cover his eyes, and when I'm getting ready to get away from the alligator, I cover his eyes. He's relaxed. He's playing possum pretty much.
Is he particularly fatigued now? Is he really docile compared to alligators we see out in the water?
Yeah, because
He does
he's been caught about 1 billion times.
Yeah, okay.
So he gives up a lot easier than a wild one would. Still the same technique. Still you have to catch them the same way, because if they bite you, they'll also do the exact same thing as a wild gator.
Yeah, I'm sure they will.
Once I let him up, you see he's on fire.
You're off to the side.
Whoa!
Yeah, I'm just far enough away from him though.
You are, huh?
It's just
I hope so.
it all depends on where you stand or who starts first.
Do you go up that tree when you need to?
I'll tell you what, I might be big,
Yeah.
but I can climb a tree or jump a fence, or I can get away from it. I can get away from an alligator. I've had to.
I bet.
He's just, this is just a little gator. He isn't really doing anything, but I've had to run after him. Had to jump up out of the water after him. I've had some weird things happen. I can definitely move if I need to.
I bet.
Anyways, like I said, the difference between alligators that are in captivity and alligators that are in the wild. Alligators in the wild could easily run away or hide. Here in this alligator pit, they don't have those options. They can't run or hide, so they have no choice. It's easier to catch something that can't go anywhere in the first place. But also, we feed them. If you feed an alligator, you don't take away any of its natural fear that it has of us. It just makes them associate us with food. And that's why it's against the law to feed a wild alligator here in the state of Florida. The last thing we want is an alligator that looks at us and thinks about food. Everybody's kids play with the water. And as this is all the time that I can spend with you guys, I hope that you learned a thing or two about them in the short time that I had with you. I hope you enjoyed my show. If you didn't, I don't care. I didn't spring any leaks this time. I'm pretty happy. If you enjoyed the show as you're walking out, there's a basket for donations. I don't get paid to work here. I do these shows for donations alone. And tips that I receive help me take care of the alligators. And then a large portion pays my insurance company. Those of you who found my show entertaining as well as educational, whatever y'all put in that basket's appreciated.
Okay.
Thanks for coming out.
Thank you.
Do those alligators always mate like that?
Is that?
Do they always just lay like that next to each other for comfort?
Not
Or
in the wild.